Well, it seems natural gas went up today, the 11th of August, just like I predicted, guys, with my trading signal. So we got a good start of the week. We can long this natural gas, this commodity. And it seems it was a green day all across the markets, except some cryptocurrencies from what I'm seeing right now. But this is not the channel of cryptocurrencies. If you want to see that information, you should check out my other channel, which is exclusive only for cryptocurrencies. So, other days, maybe of note, the 8th of August, Friday, a full correction, like it was detailed right there. There was a potential of seeing a powerful correction. The other days, mostly for example, the 7th of August, a complete range. There was a chance of seeing some volatility uptrends volatility around these days. It really didn't play out. Basically, like I told you, like a range. So really not much to say. Everything seems to be going very well as usual. So yesterday, the 8th of August, I mean the 10th. The 10th of August was a complete range. So really nothing to talk about that day. And the next days seem to be possibly corrections mostly because we get a volatile day tomorrow, possibly if not a complete range, which could be another kind of volatile day or a kind of a mixed range with some volatility. But after that, I really see corrections very hard hidden. So we get the 13, possibly even the 14, maybe. These are a range of days, guys. Okay, you need to remember that these boxes contain a range of days where it's very likely to actually see a very strong correction. It doesn't mean that we're going to see all of these days in consecutive corrections, obviously. So what we can expect maybe is that the 13 is going to be possibly one of the worst days for natural gas. So we'll cover the other predictions, the other trading signals very soon. But yeah, you should prepare for that because even after these corrections, there's another range of days where we're going to see another very strong correction from the 15 to the 18. So kind of a big range, a decent range of 3 days where we could see some hard hitting corrections. So if they correlate and if they really go well in hand with each other, then we're talking consecutive red days and possibly even consecutive powerful corrections. Okay, so that's what I can see in natural gas. And let's take a look at Forex. And remember, guys, we're covering Mexican peso against the US dollar. So we get also a green day today on the 11th of August. A good start for the economy, for the basically many indicators as well. The 11th fully in green. There was a potential of maybe seeing that, but obviously it didn't really play out. So maybe tomorrow will be more a day where the performance is not going to be so good. Maybe like a range or a volatile range. Okay. So expect to see some of that these days. But again, the 13, the 14 also concern me because they are fully in red, which means there's a potential of seeing consecutive corrections right there, meaning that the price can drop significantly if they go basically one after the other. Okay. But again, we see possibly a rebound around the 15, 17, or 18, especially. So these days also fully in green, which could mean these days are basically one of the best to trade right now. Okay, it doesn't really matter if you're doing spot trading or other kind of trading. So it will be very wise to actually wait for these days. Another thing that I have to say before I finish the video is that very soon, I don't know if I can do this for August, but it will be basically guaranteed for September. And that is that I will start including the weekly trends, the weekly predictions to all of this. But yeah, guys, this is basically what I have to say about this. Like, share, and subscribe if you follow the work. You know, Give me so you can also check the my X account, where I post more stuff, more predictions, more content. So have a good day and take care, guys.